Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Reddit. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Reddit application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. Now, once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page. From the home page, you can browse for various videos that you may want to download. Once you find a video that you're interested on, you can simply tap on it and then you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the video. Once you find a video that you want to download, you can simply tap on the video and then you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on download. You might be asked to allow access to photos and videos on your device. So tap on the allow button and now you will be able to download videos from Reddit. And now you can continue this process with various different videos that you find on Reddit. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download videos on Reddit. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.